It's tax time, but you probably don't have your group certificate. What do? I'm Sam Keats from Keats Accounting, and this week's tax tip is about Single Touch Payroll and how it impacts on employees. So from the 1st of July last year, Single Touch Payroll became compulsory for large employers, those with 20 or more employees, and as of now, it is legislation that it applies to all employers. Now, what that means is that every time your employer processes your payroll, they're going to need to submit information to the tax office to show exactly who they're paying, how much tax they're deducting, and also whether or not they've paid the super that they're supposed to pay for you. So it's enabling the government to do some better tracking of income and to make sure that businesses are being more compliant than perhaps what they have been in the past. However, what that means is that it's all done electronically and you're not going to get a payment summary or group certificate anymore. So how do you do your tax return? Well, it's actually really simple because that information is being submitted every time there's a pay run. At the end of the year, your employer will do all their reconciliations and they're going to hit the little button to say that it's finalised, and that is going to send an electronic copy off to the tax office. If you are concerned about what your income is or you need to check it, you can download the MyGov app and you can see your income details at any time. So it will pop up on there and it will tell you whether or not it is tax ready effectively. So it's going to say your employer has submitted all the information, they've told us that it's all finalised and it's ready to go, and you can go ahead and prepare your tax return from there. But even better, because you'll be using a tax agent, we can actually get that information directly from the tax office. Because of the transition, there is a little bit of a longer delay this year, so your employers need to have finalised that information before the end of July. From next year, they'll only have until the 14th, but it's no problem. We can get that information. You don't need a paper copy of your group certificate anymore. It will just pop up on our little ATO report, and we will have all the information we need to be able to do your tax return really quickly for you. So if there's anything we can help with in relation to this or any other tax topics, drop us a line. See you next week.